Much better now. I don't know about you guys, but I like looking through a nice clean windshield when I'm driving. Every time I jump in the truck, get it started, first thing I do is clean those turn wipers on and clean the windshield. Dust, bugs, whatever, rain spots, get them off there so I got a nice clean view while I'm driving. Hopefully you can hear me. Of course, I get everything set up, ready to do this, ready to hit the record button, and someone across the street decides to pull up and just let their truck idle. Normally I like that sound, but I'm trying to do a video for y'all. So hopefully you can hear me good. I got my lapel mic. I got a little bit of wind going too, so hopefully that's not picking up too bad. Got my little lapel mic attached to the camera there. A little muff on there, so hopefully it is what it is coming out of doing videos. Can't always have perfect quiet city, street, neighborhood. So let's get into this. I used to, long time ago, we're going to be talking about washer fluid if you hadn't figured it out by now. This 2010 washer concentrate. I found this a long time ago, probably 20 years ago, 30 years ago almost now that I used it last. I just finally found some more at the local grocery store in their little automotive gedunk aisle, whatever you want to call it. But they had it. I'm like, holy crap, I haven't seen that in forever. And so of course I got some. Love it. Nice clean windshield, doesn't leave streaks, gets everything off pretty good. I haven't had a whole lot of bug splatter just because I haven't done a lot of highway driving lately. But it's good. Nice, clean, clear windshield. Got me thinking, what other stuff is out there in concentrate? Got on Amazon, did some searching. Hey, there you go, he shut it off. Did some searching, but came across these tabs. Pack of 25 tabs. There's more out there, packs, but I went with this 303 brand. I'll tell you why here in a minute. And then of course some other concentrate, Quicks Mix concentrate. First off, let's go with the 2010. This is a 32-ounce bottle. You can get them in an 8-ounce bottle. I've got the 8-ounce bottle in the truck. Figured I'd use that for traveling. It's just a small 8-ounce bottle. Top off your reservoir or a gallon jug. I'll show you here in a minute. I got some gallon jugs of water here. We'll see how these other two mix up. But dump in 8 ounces to a gallon. You got your washer fluid all ready to go. All you got to do is carry that little bottle and then top off at the truck stop, or if you've got some bottled water carrying with you. It's one less thing to carry as opposed to a bottle of washer fluid, bottle of water, that sort of stuff for emergency use, whatever. But anyway, 8 ounces, dump in your washer reservoir or in a gallon jug, premix, dump into a gallon of water, good to go. Easy, convenient. The wafer tabs here. This one here, FYI, this one was I think about $4, maybe just under $5 at the store. Shop around, probably find it cheaper and more expensive too, of course, you know how that goes. But you're looking at about $1.25 a gallon of washer fluid once you mix it that sort. Gallon of washer fluid at the store, $2, $3 on average. Maybe a little cheaper depending on what you get, but for good stuff, quality, you're paying about $3 a gallon. You're looking at about $1.25 with the 2010. These washer tabs, 303 brand. They've been around a while, seen them in the store, lots of cleaning type products. But I went with this one, the 25 pack. There was a 60 pack on Amazon for about the same price actually, I think, which of course would have been more cost effective. But reading reviews, got to read those reviews, or at least check a few of them out. Of course, everybody's got their own opinion. But I went with the 303 because a trucker made a comment on the one of the other brands, the 60 tab packs brands, whatever brand it was, mentioned that he used 303s. He tried that other brand, didn't clean his windshield for squat. He was going to stick with the 303 brand. Anyway, these wash tabs were $12 or so on Amazon. 25 tabs, That works out to about 50 cents a gallon once you mix them up. One tab, pretty sure it was one tab. Yep, one tab per gallon of water. You can double strength, do that sort for, if you like. But basically one tab per gallon, maybe two if you want to boost it up a little bit. But even still, you're looking at 50 cents to $1 per gallon of that stuff. This Quick Mix windshield washer concentrate range. I got the one with the rain shield, so it's got a little bit of like a Rain-X type product in it, as opposed to they had another one that was just, it didn't say anything about rain shield in it. But this what is this? 8 ounces makes 32 gallons worth of fluid. They say a quarter ounce. Got a little measuring cup. You guys probably seen these guys in other products. Got your little measuring cup. You just squeeze it up. Quarter ounce and half ounce. This says a quarter ounce reservoir quarter ounce per gallon. Wintertime mixture C chart. All these, if for winter, that's another thing. For winter, you have to add a methanol additive to it. So that's going to boost your cost also, in the end. But I'm sure you're still looking better. And the convenience factor of carrying this around, you got, if you're traveling, you got 32 gallons worth of fluid, washer fluid right here, where you have to carry a gallon jug, a whole bottle, and you've only got 1 gallon in that. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. We'll get into these a little bit more here, but have you guys used concentrate before? Have you even thought of using concentrate for your washer fluid? Be it convenience factor, do you like a specific brand over one or the other? I've got 3 brands here. I already know I like the 2010 brand. I'm going to check these other. Of course, it's going to take me a little while to go through a gallon each, but I'm going to check each one of these out, see which one I like best, because I've got a lot of washer fluid to go through. But we're going to use the heck out of it on the windshield. Like I said, every time I jump in the truck to go somewhere, first thing I do is clean that windshield off from the dust and whatever else it's collected overnight. Birds flying overhead, etc. So leave me a comment and below what you guys have used before, if you've even thought about it, and what your favorite concentrate brand is. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'll bring you down here a little bit closer so you can see the jugs of water better as I drop them in, mix them up. We're not going to mix up the 2010 just because it turns out it looks just like water, a darker blue color. It looks like washer fluid. You've seen it squirt on the windshield when I started the video here. That was this 2010 in there. Nice soap. I don't want to say soapy, but you can tell that it's got something in it to clean and break down, not just squirting some thin water down diluted something out of there. I like the way it, for lack of better terms, coats the windshield when you squirt it on, and like I said, it leaves it nice and crystal clear. So we'll get you down here a little closer, and we'll mix a couple of these tabs up in this other Quick Mix concentrate, see how we do. Alright, first one up for bids. Let's do this 303 tabs, windshield washer tablets. 25 super concentrated tablets equals 25 gallons, just add water. In winter, add your antifreeze windshield washer, something else to it. Methanol, you can buy methanol, I guess, in the jug. I haven't researched that yet just because it's not winter. We're just 1st of July here, and scheduled to be 100 degrees, so I don't think we need to wash methanol any winter in there. Pop towel, that's 2. These, other people have commented, like I said, that trucker that I referenced earlier in his comments, is easy, just throw in the glove box, the tube, and good to go. Doesn't take up any extra space really, and convenient. And sometimes space is a premium when you're hauling a bunch of other stuff and whatnot. Alright, 1 tab going in. I don't know if you can see, right down here, starting to dissolve and turn blue. Dissolves pretty quick. One of these, I'm not sure if it was this brand or not, but it's had something about effervescent type. It'll fizz and as it dissolves. There, I think you can see it already. It's turning blue. Let's kind of agitate that up a little bit. Just like that. And like I said, it's easy. They all describe, mention just dump. If you don't want to, yeah, there you go. All dissolved, just like that. Easy. No mess. If you don't want to carry an extra gallon of water around, unless you already do for emergency radiator issues or overheating, that sort, you don't have to. You just carry these tabs, drop it in your reservoir. Heck, that almost looks like it's turning even bluer as it sits. But drop it in, stop by the truck stop, wherever, if you're home even. You don't have to be on the road to use these, obviously, even at home. In your washer fluid reservoir and top up. So there you go, one tab in there. Looks pretty good. Looks like washer fluid. We'll give that one a try one of these days. I'm just about out of fluid on my in my reservoir already. I don't know about out, but I've been using it the 2010 a while, so it should be getting pretty low. And then we'll top up with the with this one here or the other one next. I don't know. We'll see. But there you go. 303 windshield washer tablets. 25 to a pack, approximately 50 cents a gallon, depending on where you buy them from. There's that one. Let's give this Quicks Mix a try now. Rain Shield. Like I said, this is only 8 ounces. Makes 32 gallons worth. Got the little ounce thingy on the quarter ounce, half ounce. Crack the top here so we can fill her up. Actually, we crack the other side. I don't usually use these. I just open the big end and dump. So let's see here. There. Just over quarter ounce. That's okay. You can always mix it rich too, of course, but we'll go with what their recommended mixture is here first. Quarter ounce per gallon. Doesn't look like a whole heck of a lot, considering the 2010 you mix 8 ounces per gallon. Just like that, quarter ounce into a gallon of water. Of course, being liquid, there is no dissolve to it really. It's just obviously just needs to mix. So there you go, Quicks Mix. I can't remember exactly the shade of blue that the 2010 came out to, but I'll tell you right now that Quicks Mix with 1 ounce per the directions is not as dark blue as the one tablet of the 303. Whether that's any indication or not, of course, of good quality cleanability, that sort, I don't know. It's all whatever they formulate with, of course, but we'll sure see. So there you go. Hope this helps somebody. I don't know if it's really helpful or not, but get you thinking about other options for washer fluid. Keep your windshield clean so you can see. Be safe to other drivers, and make sure other drivers being safe too, and not coming at you or whatever. Who knows? Clean windshields. Quicks Mix, 303 tabs, and the 2010. Didn't mix up the 2010 today because that's what I've got in there already, and I want to give these other guys a try. I don't need 6 gallons of fluid sitting around, being that this is so easy to just mix an ounce at a gallon at a time whenever I need it. So, any questions? You know the routine. Comment below. I got more videos relating to the truck itself, my AMSOIL, of course. Got any questions on that? Follow my links for AMSOIL360plusoil.com. I really wish we used to have washer fluid additive, kind of like a Rain-X type product again for us, but discontinued. As with everything, some stuff comes by the wayside, but still, let me know what you think. Comment below. Have you ever thought about using concentrate? Convenience factor, cost factor, don't care. Buy it when you need it. Top off with straight water. Whatever you do. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you then.